Hello everyone, it's Akhona, the rooftop farmer from Kennel Center, a farm by Handpicked City Farm. Today we're talking companion planting. What is companion planting? Why do we do companion planting? What are the good ways of companion planting for brassicas and the bad ways of companion planting on brassicas? Companion planting is basically planting different crops together so they can benefit from each other. So with this benefit, it may be to control pest and disease, like we did here with cauliflower and spring onions. The same thing here with lettuce and spring onions. Sometimes we do plant flowers next to your tomatoes, your peppers, so that they can help with pollination. A perfect example for a good companion planting when it comes to brassicas, it would be your broccoli. Broccoli is a brassica, so it's much better to do your brassicas with allium plants. Allium could be anything from garlic, leeks, and spring onion. So here we have leeks and broccoli. And let me show you some more. This side we have cauliflower with spring onions. Companion planting with allium plants always works best because they contain sulfur compounds and they have this strong smell which masks the sweet smell of cauliflower. Pests cannot smell cauliflower, they only smell this. So that's how they protect your produce. A bad companion planting for brassicas would be anything with nightshade family. That's your tomatoes or peppers. Do not mix a heavy feeder with a heavy feeder. They'll compete for nutrients and lighting. So we obviously don't have it here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Akhona the farmer.